4 days, no UPI, no net banking, no fund transfer, no cash withdrawal. Think, waking up tomorrow and finding that your cooperative bank is completely offline. Would you panic? Would you think your money is gone? Or would you ask the most important question, why has the bank stopped all its services for 4 days? The answer may surprise you. Because this is not a technical fault, this is not a cyber attack, and this is not a financial crisis. It is one of the biggest technical upgrades even introduced in cooperative banking. Today I shall explain why cooperative banks are suspending banking services from 19th June to 22nd June. So stay with me till the end. Before that, once again, very good morning to you all viewers. I am Vikas Kumar Singh welcoming you on your own channel Bank and Fininfo. And today is the 20th of June 2026. So, without the wasting the time, subscribe and like the channel. Let's begin. Book number 1, what has happened? The Reserve Bank of India approved the major updation process of the cooperative banks. As part of this upgrade, banking services in the concerned cooperative banks will remain temporarily unavailable from 19th June to 22nd June 2026. During these 4 days, no UPI, no net banking, no fund transfer, no cash deposit. Almost every bank transactions will remain suspended while the bank upgrade into core banking system. But the biggest question is that why this upgrade so important? Book number 2, the real story. Think a bank with many branches. Each branch work independently. Data moves slowly. Digital services are limited. Now think, every branch connect to one powerful system. Every transaction updates instantly. Every customer can access banking from any branch. This is exactly what CBS makes possible. And that is why this 4 days shutdown is necessary. Book number 3. What is CBS? CBS stands for Core Banking System. Think of it as the central brain of the bank. Instead of every branch maintaining separate records, all branches are connected to one secure central database. Whether you visit your home branch or another branch, your account information is validated instantly. That means fast service, better security, greater transparency, and a much better banking experience. Book number 4. How will customers benefit? Now let's ask the most important question. What do customers gain after waiting 4 days? A faster UPI experience, a stronger net banking security, improved mobile banking, better ATM services, real-time account updates, more reliable digital transactions, and a new banking feature that were not possible with the old system. Book number 5. What should customers do now? If your account is with affected cooperative bank, complete all important banking work before 19th June. Plan your cash requirements, finish upgrade fund transactions, avoid waiting until the last moment, because from 19th June to 22nd June, bank service will remain unavailable while the bank completes this historical upgrade. Remember, this is not bad news. It is the beginning of the faster, smarter and more secure era of the cooperative bank. Ending of the session. Thank you. Thanks.